There are a lot of key takeaways from the first day of this trial. 13 on your side's Lauren Baker's been following this case for us on our live stream coverage. Lauren joins us now. And Lauren, what were some of those big moments today?
Well, Julia, there were plenty of moments that stood out today, one being at the start of the day. During opening statements, the prosecution objected twice during the defense's speech to jurors. They first started when the defense began speaking about how a taser could cause bodily harm or even death. The prosecution interrupted, saying they began to argue their case. The judge then agreed with the prosecution. They went on to say that their team plans to prove the defense a taser can cause great bodily harm, justifying Schurr's shooting. And again, the prosecution interrupted the defense, saying they were pushing their arguments, and the judge agreed. And speaking of the taser, that seemed to be a key point in this case. We heard both the prosecution and defense talk about how they plan to spend time discussing the use of the taser and the event, and even hinted that they will have experts to comment on the taser. And finally, we saw a little back and forth between the attorneys in regards to information being brought into the trial. The defense wanted to bring up a warrant against Loyola for a domestic violence charge, saying he had multiple of these charges. The prosecution, however, said Schurr could not have known about the charge before the shooting, thus saying it couldn't be brought up in this trial. He even cited a code in a legal book you see right there, saying that previous charges can be brought up if they are known to the defendant. The judge decided to side with the prosecution on that. But of course, there is so much more happening in this case and more to come. Court adjourned about an hour and a half ago, and we'll start again tomorrow at 8:30. We once again will be inside and outside the courthouse covering every part of this case. But for now, reporting in the newsroom, I'm Lauren Baker, 13 on your side.